touching the sky. Achievement or not success. Loss is never a failure. It's about what we learn. For us, emotion never makes a skilled soul. It's your hard work which separates us from the rest and determine what is true success. Failure should never make you cry. When the birds who do not wish to fly are never ever sing touching the sky, price don't define your value. It is the skill lying deep within you. Rank cannot tell where you stand. It is the range, the ember you have in your. It is the struggle which make you the best and determine what is true success. Struggle cannot stop you from dreaming high. Never let your dream say goodbye, because the birds who do not wish to fly are never ever sing touching the sky.